Hi, I'm Beth Kennedy of Bonati Training and Development. Thank you for joining me for my Spark video today, which is on purpose. Today I was fortunate enough to teach a training to the Takeda interns, and I wanted to share with you some of the takeaways that they shared with me. And I also want to share with you why it's so important. They did an activity that's going to be in my upcoming book called Career Recharge.
I'm Seamus O'Connor. I'm the Oncology Sales Training Department here, and my biggest takeaway was the importance of finding your purpose in life and using your core values to shape your career path.
My name is Patrick Hsu. I work in the Pricing and Market Access Unit, and my biggest takeaway was from an activity that we did that allowed us to sort through our career interests, and it helped me to find what I wanted later on in my career.
And I'm Brendan O'Brien. I'm also in sales training, and my biggest takeaway was definitely the purpose mind map. The objective of it was truly just to help you understand who you are, and going forth in the future, it'll make you be happier and more productive in the workplace.
So we want to thank you for joining us today. For more information, please go to my website at www.bethkennedy.com. Thank you.